Today, I'm going to walk you through a full installation of a PoE dome camera, step by step. Alright, first up, we're getting the base plate on the wall. The camera I'm using has a two-part base, so we'll start with this metal adapter. First, thread your network cable through the center and line it up with the pre-drilled holes. Now, here's a pro tip. When you're driving the screws in, go in a crisscross pattern. This makes sure it sits perfectly flush and rock solid against the wall. No wobbles. Next up is the white plastic base that actually comes with the camera. It's the same deal. Feed the cable through the middle, line it up, and screw it securely onto the black plate. Too easy. This next bit is the most crucial part of the whole install, creating the RJ45 network connector. All the power and data for your camera runs through this little guy. First, and don't forget this, slide the protective rubber boot onto the cable. Then, grab your wire strippers and carefully take off about 2 to 3 centimeters of the blue outer jacket. Go easy, you don't want to nick the little wires inside. Once the cover is off, untwist all 8 of those little colored wires and get them as straight as you possibly can. The straighter they are, the easier your life will be, trust me. Now, they need to go in a very specific color order. If you want to learn the proper wiring sequence, you can check out my dedicated video on that. Once your wires are lined up perfectly, use your crimping tool to give them one clean, flush cut. Then, holding the plastic connector with the clip facing down, slide the wires firmly all the way to the very end. Pop it into your crimping tool and give it one good solid squeeze. You'll hear that satisfying click. Alright, we're on the home stretch. Simply plug our new connector into the port on the camera. Line the camera up with the tabs on the base plate, give it a firm twist clockwise, and it'll lock right into place. To stop anyone from easily taking it down, use the little Allen key provided to tighten up the security screws on the side. All sorted. See? Not so hard when you break it down. If this video helped you out, be a legend and hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel out. Drop any questions you've got in the comments below. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you on the next project.